Let me show you the worst possible scam charger that you can get. Also, what's absolutely crazy, at the time of filming, this has to be one of the most popular chargers out there that you can get on online marketplace. So literally millions of these units are being sold and people are being misled. So first, so you see it says 240 watts. We are getting 5 outputs. When you look at the design, I mean, it looks absolutely awesome, right? Also, we have the LED lights. And if, for example, we check the output specs, so you see they appear absolutely great, right? First, this is size comparison against actual decent 100 watt chargers that can actually output 100 watts and actually is good. So, for example, also if we check the weight, so it's like 170 grams, so it's quite chunky. But if we check the weight of this one, so literally 69 grams only. So really there's no way in hell they can actually produce such charger in this size, at this weight, and for it to be also able to output the 240 watts. Okay, so and what is the actual output from the scam charger, and is it really that bad as I'm saying? So first, if we check like a decent charger, so basically the output to charge my phone, so you'll see, so let's wait a brief moment. So you see it climbs up to maybe like 32, 33 watts. And you see it says 48 minutes for a full charge. So let's replace it with this garbage plugged in and see if it's actually able to match, since again this is supposedly way more powerful charger. So as you see, straight away on my phone, it says literally 1.5 hours, so more than 2 times. And when we check the actual output, it's only able to deliver roughly 11 watts. I see it can peak up to maybe like 14 or 13 watts as you plug in the first time, so let's check again. But it simply like drops down after that to the like 11 watts. Okay, so it didn't do that this time. But yeah, so you see actual output from the Type-C port is roughly 11 watts. And this is the maximum you can achieve. And also let's plug in another device in this charger here and let's see what the total output is, for example, for 2 Type-C ports. So you see, it is able to climb up to roughly 14 watts. So you see, basically the power, yeah. So 240 watts, it doesn't even come close. That it's not even like 10% of the 240 watts essentially. If I check my charge time, so you see, and it's so bad right now. It'll probably climb. So you see almost 2 hours basically for full charge now. And also let's plug in another device here. So I will plug in my power bank, which can draw almost like 140 watts basically to charge it. So this should like create a load on it. For example, when we plug in 3 devices at the same time, so you realize, let's wait a bit, it has probably a sync. Okay, so you see total output literally the same, around 14 watts. I mean, what the hell is this? So how bad they can actually scam people? So literally it says 240 watts, but this is really the maximum I have ever achieved. That so 14 watts, literally 20 times worse than it's actually stated. For example, if you now check basically the charge time of this phone, so you see it literally says 5 hours for a full charge. So basically it simply splits the power across the device. So actual total output you can get from this device is literally under 15 watts. And yeah, also another thing I have found, on a lot of devices these Type-C don't actually respond because they simply aren't in the proper like standards. For example, if I try to recharge this power bank here, it simply won't charge it because yeah, the standards are so incredibly bad. And also when you charge your phone, also you'll get all kinds of errors on your phone as well, because it's simply like the fakest garbage charger there is. So you see, it doesn't even charge this power bank now. So I mean, what the hell? So yeah, in my opinion, whoever is actually producing this junk scam charger really should be thrown into jail immediately for wasting Earth's resources and also misleading people. So it's simply not acceptable. Why even produce such junk? I obviously knew it will be basically, it won't basically be able to deliver the 240 watts, but I did not expect it to be so incredibly bad. Literally, there isn't probably a worse charger than this one you can get. So literally 20 times less output than actually it states. And again, all of this, again, it's completely fake. So very, very misleading. Again, they do not have any certifications, obviously. It's simply like printed scam. And obviously this is no gallium nitride charger as well, since again, literally they just print on whatever they want on the chargers. Again, port delivery standards, quick charge 3.0, again, completely fake. Also, let's see what's actually inside in this scam charger as well. Obviously, I won't be using it. Also, I do not want to burn down my house by using such garbage. So really there's no good way how to take it apart other than simply taking a hammer to it. So let's see. It's really quite strong. So just as I imagined. So you see, they have even put some clay here to add extra weight. I mean, come on, how bad this can actually be. And this is the actual micro SIM. On a decent charger, again, this should be like like 50 times bigger. So what the hell is this? So this really, I mean, this is absolutely unacceptable. Really, whoever is making the garbage really should look at him and yeah, really consider what is he doing in life when he actually produces such junk. So really, I do not even suggest to actually use this. If you have it, literally just throw it in the garbage. So again, you are also risking literally of creating fire in your home and burning down your home as well by using such garbage. So also let's check the weight of the actual charger now. So you see, literally 50 grams. So they have added extra like 20 grams just in clay as well on it. I mean, absolutely ridiculous. Avoid this garbage, yeah, if you can. Okay, good luck.